I believe that the media has a significant influence on people, shaping our opinions and perceptions. However, manipulation depends on how we consume media and our ability to discern reliable information. It's up to us to question and verify sources.
The media definitely manipulates us. It often presents biased and sensationalized information to attract an audience and, in doing so, shapes our beliefs and opinions without us realizing it. It's important to consume media critically.
I think that manipulation by the media is a reality, but we cannot generalize. Some media are more impartial than others. However, it is crucial that we develop our critical sense to identify when we are being influenced in a negative way.
Media manipulation is undeniable. It often emphasizes sensationalist stories and creates narratives that favor specific interests. We must be aware of this and seek diverse sources of information.
I believe we are manipulated to some extent by the media, but we also have personal responsibility. We need to consume information in a balanced way and be willing to listen to different perspectives to avoid manipulation.
The media can influence our opinions, but manipulation is too strong a statement. We must remember that we have the power to choose what we consume and how we interpret the information presented.
It is undeniable that the media plays a role in shaping our opinions, but I do not believe that we are completely manipulated. It is crucial to develop critical thinking and constantly question what we see and hear.
Media manipulation is a reality, especially when it comes to political and social news. We must be more selective with our sources of information and look for the truth beyond the headlines.
The media has a powerful impact on society, but we are not completely manipulated. It is important to recognize the influence of the media and take steps to avoid being led by biased narratives.
I believe the media has influence over us, but the total manipulation is exaggerated. We must educate ourselves about media methods and seek out reliable sources to make informed decisions.
I believe we are largely influenced by the media. Every day, we are bombarded by news, advertisements, and entertainment content that shape our worldview and influence our decisions.
I don't believe that we are completely manipulated by the media, but it is undeniable that it has a significant influence on our lives. The media plays a key role in shaping public opinion and disseminating information, and this can affect our beliefs and behaviors. However, the ultimate responsibility lies in our hands.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.